Hello my dear student. Today we will talk about probability and fractions. First of all, you need to know that you can use a fraction to show probability, so we can represent a probability by a fraction. How that? Let's know the rule. Probability equal in denominator number of favorable outcomes over number of possible outcomes. Okay? In easy way, the probability equal what? If I want to represent it by fraction, it will equal in denominator in up we will write the number of what he asked, and in denominator down we will write the number of total. We will write the total number. Okay, how that? Let's understand it by an example that will be better, okay? And you will get it in easy way. Okay, let's see the first example we have here. Here he asks you, use a fraction to describe the probability of each outcome. Well, like I said before, if we want to make a fraction, up we will write the number of what he asked. So in the first question, for example, here he asked about the probability that you will get 3. Okay? Well, first of all, let's know what is the total. How many numbers do we have here in this manner? Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total number here is 12, okay? Let's see the first probability that he wants from you. The probability that you will get 3, it will stop on number 3. Let's make a fraction. Down, let's write the total number, that's 12. Okay. How many 3 do we have here? If you look carefully, you will see that we have 2 digits of 3, right? 1 and 2. So it will be 2 over 12. And if we want to write this fraction in its simplest form, we can do it. The answer is 2 over 12, okay? Focus. If you want to write this fraction in simplest form, or in much easy, okay, we will make divide. 2 and 12, we can divide it in 2. So 2 divide 2 equal 1, and 12 divide 2 equals 6. Miss, should we make it like this? Should we, after we get the fraction, should we or must we write it in its simplest form? No. If you want to write it in simplest form, it's okay. If you don't want, it's up to you. But in some question, he will ask you, find the probability in simplest form. So you need, in this time, you need to make it in simplest form, okay? If he didn't ask, it's okay. You can write 2 over 12. But maybe I will give you some choices, and I give you the choices the simplest form. So you need to know how you can get the fraction in simplest form, okay? Let's see the second one, probability of getting number 2. Let's make fraction. Down we will write what? We will write the total. So down we will write the total. It's 12. Okay. How many 2 do we have here? We have 1, 2, and 3. So that will be 3 over 2. And if you want to write it in simplest form, you will ask yourself, 3 and 12, can we make a divide in the same number? Yeah, we can make divide 3. So 3 divide 3 equal 1, and 12 divide 3 equal 4. Okay? Let's see the next question. What's the probability of getting number 1? We want to find it by fraction. So we'll make fraction. Down we'll write the total, that's 12. How many 1 do we have here? We have only 1, so that will be 1 over 2. And of course, 1 over 2, we cannot write it in more than simple. This is the simplest form. Okay, this is a good question. What's the probability that you will get 3 or 4? When you see the word or, that means you need to make plus. So, how many 3 do we have here? We have 2, so we will write 2. How many 4 do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 2 plus 6 over, of course, the total 12. Okay, 2 plus 6 equal what? Equal 8. So that will be 8 over 12. If you want to make it more simple, you will make it here, you will make divide 4, so that will be 2/3. Okay, let's see question number 3. What is the probability that you will get number 4? We know that we have 6 4s, so that will be 6/12. Okay, the last question here, what's the probability of getting number 5? Do we have a 5 here in this circle? We don't have, so that's impossible, so that will be 0. We don't have 5, so it's 0. Okay, let's see the next question. Miss, what that? He didn't give us any numbers. Yeah, where is the problem? It's so easy. We will do the same steps. The only difference here, I gave you some shapes, and it's okay. We will count, we will make the same steps. Let's see it. Okay, I need for me to focus because I will answer number 7 and 8 and you will continue. Okay? Okay. Here he asks you, use a fraction to describe the probability of each outcome. First of all, let's know what's the total here. Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total numbers here is 10. Let's find what's the probability that we have circle. Let's make fraction. How many circles do we have here? We have only 1. So that will be 1/10. Let's see number 8. What's the probability that we get triangle? How many triangles do we have here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So that will be 3/10. Great. Now it's your turn to answer. Stop the video. Try to solve question from 9 to 12. After you finish, play the video again and let's see if your answer is correct or not. Okay, come on, stop the video. I will wait for you. Okay, Habibi, welcome back. Let's see question number 9. What's the probability of getting square? Let's make fraction. How many squares do we have here? We have 2. So that will be 2/10. Okay? And if you want to write it in simplest form, you will make it divide 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 10 divide 2 equal 5. Let's see what's the probability of getting pentagon. How many pentagon do we have here? We have 4, so that will be 4/10. If we can make it in simplest form by make it divide 2. 4 divide 2 equal 2. 10 divide 2 equal 5. Hexagon. Do we have hexagon here? No, so that will be 0. Triangle or square. Like we said before, when we see the word or, that means we will make plus. We have here 3 triangle plus the squares is 2, so that will be 3 plus 2 over the total 10. Okay. 3 plus 2 equal 5. It will be 5/10. This is 5, okay? 5/10. If you want to make it in simplest form, you will make it divide 5. 5 divide 5 equal 1, and 10 divide 5 equal 2. Okay? And now, Habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So, bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.